Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Jasmine Ordonez, 27 years old, single. I'm the second in the family.
How many brothers and sisters do
I
you have?
have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, ma'am.
Did you finish your high school?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any experience working abroad before?
No, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and where?
In the Cavite.
In Cavite.
Yes, ma'am.
And of what nationality?
Filipino, ma'am.
Filipino. What are your duties and responsibilities?
Cooking, washing, cleaning the house, and take care of the child, ma'am.
A boy or girl?
A girl, ma'am.
A girl of what age?
7 years old, ma'am.
So you have an idea of taking care of a 7-year-old girl, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you share to me how can you take care of a girl like 7 years old?
We play, and then I teach her in her lesson.
You prepare her food,
Yes, ma'am.
so you know how to cook.
Yes, ma'am.
How about Chinese food? Do you know any Chinese food?
Fried rice and steamed fish, ma'am.
How about vegetables?
Yes,
You know.
ma'am.
Okay, so can you do marketing also?
Of course, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my family
And
and my future, ma'am.
for a better future.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how about an elderly? Do you have any experience in taking care of an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you get along with an elderly? How can you help them? Especially those bedridden. How can
Feed
you assist them?
To feed her, ma'am.
Feed and what else?
Clean her, ma'am.
To what?
To clean her body, ma'am.
For proper hygiene.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you assist them in taking in the medicines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when you work in Cavite, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you work in Hong Kong, are you willing also to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
How if they will ask you for an extension of another year contract? Are you willing to extend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how can you control your homesick? What will you do?
I'm busy to my work and
You
allow
will-
to thinking them.
Okay, avoid thinking of them
Yes,
and
ma'am.
make yourself busy,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. For example, a child is crying. What do you think the reason why?
I think she have a sick or she hungry.
Okay, what else?
She want to sleep, ma'am.
Okay, if the baby wants to sleep, can you sing a nursery rhyme for
Yes,
her?
ma'am.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, like a diamond in the sky.
I think you shortcut your nursery rhyme. Okay, you study more of your nursery rhyme, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me a short message for your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, madam, sir. Please select me. I will do my best, and I'll be hardworking, and I will treat your family as my own family, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Are you a hardworking person?
Yes, ma'am.
Honest person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise them that you will obey the rules and regulations inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and for example, the baby is sick and your employer is not around, what are you going to do?
I'll call her, ma'am,
And,
I'll tell her the baby's sick.
but knowing first if the baby is sick, what will you do?
I'll
The
check
very
her temperature, ma'am.
Okay, and then you were going to inform your employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.